Next tonight, a murder charge in Niagara Falls delivering closure for the family of one murder victim and disappointing news for another. Yassine Abdu-Sabur is charged with killing Terry Lynn Bills back in 2015, but not this woman, Loretta Gates. The news, although disappointing for the Gates family, delivers hope that the killer will one day be found. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley takes us into the courtroom.
Collectively with law enforcement, we do not give up on our quest to hold those accountable for taking the life of one of our citizens.
Handcuffed and shackled, Yassine Abdu-Sabur was led into Niagara County Court, where a grand jury indictment was unsealed, charging him with the murder of Terry Lynn Bills in 2015. A not guilty plea was entered.
But when I seen his face, I seen a face of a killer. I didn't see a human being.
Terry Bills' dismembered body was found in a vacant home in Niagara Falls. Investigators believe Abdu-Sabur killed the 46-year-old woman 3 months after he was released from state prison after serving time for a felony burglary charge.
Nobody deserves to go this way. I mean, I'd rather die in my sleep than be chopped up and murdered.
A break in the case came in April 2019 when Abdu-Sabur was arrested and sent to jail in South Carolina for domestic violence and child neglect.
That lead that we got from his arrest in South Carolina is what really got the ball rolling the last several months.
That led to a search of the suspect's former residence in the Falls this past September.
We went there looking for biological evidence. We did find some, and that helped us in securing this indictment.
A grand jury returned a second-degree murder indictment, and Abdu-Sabur was extradited back to Niagara County Jail on Friday. Members of Terry Bills' family were in court for the arraignment, but so were relatives of Loretta Jo Gates. Her dismembered body was found in 2012, and many wondered if the person who killed Terry Bills had also killed Loretta Gates.
The reason we are sure that this defendant is not responsible for the murder of Loretta Gates is that he was serving time for a felony conviction at the time of her death.
It was heartbreaking news for the Gates family.
Thinking that there was some closure over the weekend, and now it's up in the air again.
But her father and sister told me they are still holding out hope that Loretta's killer will be found.
Say something. If you know something about her case, please talk.
Abdu-Sabur was ordered held without bail in the Niagara County Jail. He returns to court on March 16th. In Lockport, Ed Riley, 7 Eyewitness News.